Within the industrial context, in the different type of sectors, we see one sector where this becomes very relevant, and that is the water sector. Why is it much more important for the water sector in our experience? So basically what we've encountered with water companies is that at least 60% of their energy consumption, sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, comes from their motors, and that is their pumps. The water companies are basically just moving fluids around and making sure the water gets to the society, that it gets then treated. But basically all this movement of water just requires a lot of pumping, right? And these pumps, as I was saying, can represent up to 60% of the whole energy consumption of a water company. And within a water company, there's not only these operations and maintenance costs, which are very relevant, also usually around 20% of the whole company costs, but this energy consumption suddenly also represents 20 to 30% of the costs, which is massive. We're talking that if you're able to take care of these two big cost buckets, if you have visibility and you actually know where do these energy costs come from, you can manage them, and same as your operations, if you can manage these resources efficiently, the approach on how you take care of your assets suddenly becomes completely different and becomes much more efficient.